And here we are. Dropping Alex off. Made it safely here in Jordan's car.
We're here. We're here. We haven't crashed. We haven't crashed. As far as I can tell.
Oh, surprise! Purgatory!
Oh, we're dead.
You don't have a son, Alex.
But I'm a doctor. I'm a spinal surgeon.
Nope, no women want any of that. Nope. They're too busy being married to John Locke. Helen.
Penny?
Why was
Desmond?
Why
Claire?
is Aaron still a baby in purgatory?
Because that was the most important moment of Aaron's life.
Being a baby.
Yeah. Don't judge J.J. Abrams for writing, you know what?
For writing the first season of Lost.
Claire is only known...
the first season of Lost and nothing else.
Okay, Damon Lindelof, he's writing being like, you know what? Claire is only known for holding Aaron. That's it. To everybody. Or not everybody, but fucking the majority of people, the mortal motherfuckers, those guys out there. You see them? You see them? Look. See the guys? Yeah. You got them. But I mean... But not the nerds like us, the legit fucking pussy chasers. I was tempted not to say that, but I did. Alright, guys. Alright.
Oh, okay. Hey, sign off. What's your sign off?
You want my sign off? You want my sign off? You want my sign off? Alright, boys. This is your backup? Alright, take it, boys.
Good moment.
Still not happening.